Midea Portable Air Conditioners beep for several important reasons. Understanding these beeps can help you quickly identify and resolve issues with your unit. First, identify the type of beep your unit is making. Is it continuous, intermittent, or associated with an error code displayed on the unit? Different beep patterns indicate different issues. Consult your user manual for a complete list of error codes and their meanings. Here are the most common error codes you might encounter on your Midea air conditioner. Let's look at specific error codes. E1 indicates a communication error between indoor and outdoor units. E2 is a zero crossing signal error. E3 means the indoor fan speed is out of control. E4 indicates a temperature sensor problem. The P1 error code is particularly important. It means your bottom tray is full. When you see P1, you must drain the water tank immediately to prevent damage and restore normal operation. Check and clean your air filter regularly. A dirty filter can cause the unit to work harder and trigger beeping alerts. Clean the filter every 2 weeks during regular use to maintain optimal performance. Remember the 2025 recall of Midea U and U Plus window air conditioners due to mold risk from pooled water. This highlights the importance of proper drainage. Schedule professional cleaning every 4 to 6 months with a licensed technician. Understanding these beeping patterns and error codes will help you quickly identify issues with your Midea air conditioner. Regular maintenance and proper drainage are key to preventing most problems. When beeping persists after initial checks, the next step is resetting your Midea air conditioner. There are several reset methods available depending on your specific situation. First, locate the reset button on the front panel of your unit. This small button is typically found near the control panel. Press and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a beep or see the display reset. If the unit doesn't respond to the reset button, check your circuit breaker. Turn the breaker off for exactly 10 seconds, then switch it back on. This complete power cycle can resolve many persistent issues. Remote control reset is another effective method. Some remotes have a small reset button, often hidden in a tiny hole. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold this button for several seconds. Alternatively, try pressing and holding the mode and temperature buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. This combination often triggers a factory reset on many Midea remote models. To temporarily disable beeping sounds, look for an LED button on your remote control. This button typically turns off both the display light and associated beeping sounds, though the setting may not be permanent. Check the Midea mobile app for additional beeping sound settings. Newer models often provide more granular control over notification sounds through the app interface. Important to note, Midea air conditioners have a built-in 3-minute protection feature. This prevents the unit from restarting immediately after being turned off, protecting the compressor from damage due to rapid cycling. If problems persist, especially with error codes like E1 or E2, it's time to contact professional help. E1 typically indicates communication errors between indoor and outdoor units, while E2 suggests zero crossing signal errors. Contact Midea customer support or a qualified HVAC technician when you encounter these complex error codes. These issues typically require professional diagnosis and may involve refrigerant systems or electrical components that need expert attention.